Kapok or saber pentandra trees can be largely found in India, Myanmar, China, Indochina, and Southeast Asian countries, including Malaysia. These trees produce quite a lot of pods which contain black seeds surrounded by fluffy yellowish fibers, and generally the size of each pod is about 15 centimeters long. The traditional method of separating kapok fibers from their seed pods is extremely tiresome, whereby they need to separate the kapok fibers using special equipment. The seed pods will sink to the bottom of the container, while the kapok fiber floats to the top. Then, the separated kapok fibers will be collected into a plastic bag, whence the kapok fiber will be used to fill pillows and mattresses. At present, people in Malaysia continue to use the traditional method to fill up pillows and mattresses for their own use or business purposes. The pillow filling machine has been widely used abroad by pillow manufacturers, but in Malaysia, the price of the device is too high and thus is not available locally. Consequently, the small and medium-sized enterprises, also known as SMEs, are forced to separate the seed pods and fill the kapok fiber inside pillowcases manually. Currently, separating kapok seed pods and filling the pillowcases are done using two entirely different machines. For this reason, entrepreneurs of SMEs have to buy kapok that has been cleaned of its seed pods at a cost. The process of manually filling kapok fiber requires a lot of labor and time in order to produce the product in large quantities. Additionally, the kapok fiber is light, so it will float in the air and make the workplace become dirty, and it will affect the health of the workers. So, we innovated the pillow filling machine, FILLER. The methodology is divided into 5 parts: design concept, design drawing using CAD software, fabrication, prototype testing and modification, and finally, result and analysis. When the motor switches on, it will drive the blade to rotate according to the set speed. Rotation of the blade will produce a strong vortex, causing the kapok fiber to move according to the vortex, separating the seed pods and kapok fiber content. The increasing fiber velocity in the vortex results in a centrifugal force on the seed pods, which separates them from the kapok fiber stream. When the fiber reaches the bottom of the cone, it flows freely at the barrels, while the seeds fall into the seed collection chamber attached to the bottom of the barrel. This process takes about 2 minutes to separate the seeds from 1 kilogram of kapok fiber. Then, the blower switch is turned on to fill the kapok fiber into the pillowcases. This is the design concept drawn using CAD software. The machine is constructed of 4 major components, namely a rod shaft with blades, motor, blower, and a 100-liter barrel. Overall, the product consists of wheels, an emergency stop button, a 100-liter barrel, a 600-watt electric blower, and a 160-watt electric motor. After completing the assembly of the product, prototype testing is carried out. Firstly, open the lid of the FILLER machine. Then, peel off the pods and fill the machine with the kapok fiber with its seeds. After closing the lid, turn on the motor by turning the switch at the top of the machine. Next, when there are no more sounds of the collision of seed pods against the barrel, turn off the power. Check the contents of the barrel to ensure no kapok seed pods are left in the barrel. Following that, switch on the blower for the filling process. Finally, remove the seed pods from the collector situated at the bottom of the machine. The FILLER machine is only capable in separating seed pods and filling the kapok fiber into the pillowcase. The machine can separate seed pods and fill kapok fiber of a maximum weight of 2 kg per barrel of the machine. The machine targets only small and medium enterprises to produce large quantities of pillows in order to grow their business. Results and analysis. This is a comparison of the filling method between the traditional method, the previous research of the pillow filling machine, and the latest Pro Filler machine. Focusing on the Pro Filler machine, the number of workers required is only 1. The total duration for filling fibers into 10 pieces of 27 by 17 inch pillowcases is 12 minutes, the quickest out of the 3 methods. And finally, the Pro Filler machine is mechanized and produces the least noise. This shows a vertical bar chart of the comparison of filling method to the method used. As you can see, the traditional method is the slowest, while using the Pro Filler machine is the quickest. Next, this is a horizontal bar chart showing the duration of filling fiber into pillowcases of various sizes using the Pro Filler machine. The production price of the product is calculated to be a total of 486 ringgit and 80 cents. The pillow filling machine has great market potential. Along with IR 4.0, there is a need to help SMEs, especially to provide the disabled who have physical disabilities opportunities to be independent and the competitiveness with entrepreneurial characteristics, thus making the disabled to be on par with normal people. Furthermore, the freedom to operate manufacturing products for SMEs works as a driving force in realizing the need to generate their own income. Product novelty. This product is registered under the Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia, also known as MyIPO, with the aforementioned ID. Besides that, this product also appeared in a journal publication, which is the International Symposium of Education and Values. What's more is that a collaboration with DJE Creativity Legacy Sendirian Berhad is formed based purely on the high potential of this product. With the excellence of this product, multiple gold awards are won in international competitions. In a nutshell, innovation of the Pro Filler machine is able to enhance the quality and capacity of the separation process of kapok seedpods and filling process of kapok fibers into pillowcases. The production quality of kapok fibers also increases through usage of the Pro Filler machine compared to using the manual separation process. The Pro Filler machine is developed to be semi-automatic, user-friendly, and able to execute individually as well as able to minimize working time and labor. Subsequently, it can facilitate SMEs to produce large quantities of pillows and expand their business. The product has promising potential to be widely used for SMEs, entrepreneurs, and personal usage. Our presentation ends here. Thank you and have a great day.